News 8 at Sunrise in high definition continues.
CPA Tom Walpole is back with us this morning. Tom, great to see you.
Always good to be here, Mark.
Important topic we're talking about, one we've talked about before, tax return identity theft, kind of a growing problem, something the IRS is taking seriously.
It really is. I mean, last year we had a lot of healthcare computers get hacked. IRS was even hacked with their compliance software a little bit, and so there's going to be a lot of instances of identity theft coming out around this year.
The numbers are staggering. $5.8 billion in fraudulent returns paid out by the government.
Right. That's the bad news. The good news is they caught over $20.8 billion. So.
All right. How are these thieves doing this?
What they do is they get your identification numbers, names, address, social security numbers, and they file a return very early in the year before IRS has a lot of the information in. The return goes in, IRS issues a refund to these people, and it's usually a direct deposit, goes into a bank account. The thieves clean out that bank account over the weekend, and they're gone. Then you're going to file your return later on, your real return, and they're going to say, sorry, Mark, somebody's already used your file or your social security number, and the refund you were looking for to pay for your vacation, you're not going to get.
Yeah, it's amazing. A couple things here to touch. There's no way to get that fraudulent money back. It's gone.
It's gone. It's gone from the government, so the government's the one that's taking it on the chin. You will eventually get your refund if you have one coming to you. It can take 6, 8 months, maybe up to a year. It's a long time to get your money back on these things.
Significant delay. So what's being done? What is the IRS trying to do?
They've got a lot of steps out there, and they're not going to tell everybody what they're doing because they don't want the thieves to know what's going on.
Sure.
But they have created some filters that are on there, so when you file a return and you've got a change, like a change of address or you change your bank, that's going to hit one of the IRS filters, and they're going to look at that return a little closer. So if they see these changes going on, they figure it might not really be you.
One thing I do want to mention, at this point they've dedicated about 3,000 people to this problem, but there's, what, 1.2 million fraudulent returns every year.
Right.
It seems like those 3,000 are literally overwhelmed.
They will be, and again, it takes, like I say, it's going to take months and months to clean these things out once it happens. So if you are a victim of identity theft, you have to be patient.
Right, and that's the last point we want to make here. If you are a victim, what should you do?
A couple things you should do, several things actually. There's a form 14039, which is an affidavit of identity theft. You have to file that with IRS first. IRS will send you a notice. You have to contact their number, contact Social Security, notify the credit reporting companies, TransUnion, Experian, Equifax. You have to file a complaint with the Federal Trade Commission. You have to file a report with the local police because to have anything changed, you have to show that a crime was committed. So you need a local police report to do it, and you have to open any accounts that they may have opened in your name.
Close those accounts.
Right, I'm sorry, close those accounts that have been opened in your name.
I know we'll return to this subject, but good update here in December. Tom, thank you. Good to see you as always.
Thank you. Yep.
All right, if you missed any of this, we'll be sharing it online as well at rochesterfirst.com.